Okay, before I read this first excerpt or passage from Civil War medicine, there is a glossary at the bottom of 4 terms that may be unfamiliar to you. In fact, I know that they're probably unfamiliar to you. The first one is anesthesia, and it's spelled 2 different ways. A lack of feeling or consciousness that can result from medicine, anesthetics, used to control pain during a surgery or medical procedure. So, anesthesia is a type of medicine that they will give you to control pain during a surgery. Number 2, ushering forth. If you're ushering something forth, you're introducing it. The third word you are probably familiar with, it's the word flammable, and that means easily set on fire. And the final word, number 4, is prostrations. That's extreme weakness, often resulting in collapse, prostrations. So I'm going to be reading this passage called Anesthesia from Civil War Medicine. In the 1840s, there was a discovery that changed the face of medicine, ushering forth or introducing the modern era of surgery. Dr. William Morton first introduced ether as an anesthetic in 1846. Followed by Dr. James Simpson's work with chloroform in 1847. The idea that a patient could be asleep during surgery was so new that Oliver Wendell Holmes felt it necessary to name this grouping of drugs. He chose to pair the Greek prefix an, meaning without, with aesthesia, meaning sensibility. So anesthesia means without sensibility. While both substances came in liquid form and were inhaled by the patient from a soaked rag, ether and chloroform had their differences. Ether was highly flammable, foul-smelling, and slow to work, but did not cause vomiting, prostrations, or excitement as did chloroform. It was a general rule that while in the field, chloroform was used due to its rapid action, and ether was reserved for the slower-paced general hospitals. In all, there are over 80,000 documented cases of anesthesia used during the war, showing that it was a welcome tool of healing in this bloody fight. Please move to slide 7 to answer a question about anesthesia.